Welcome to the Introduction to the Data Studio app. This video provides an overview of Data Studio and its features. Data Studio is part of Venus Control Suite and is responsible for configuring and outputting data sources that feed to Show Control and Venus Control Suite. Data Studio can be used to connect to user-defined sources such as Excel spreadsheets, RSS feeds, and XML files. Additionally, Data Studio Basketball, Soccer, Baseball, and Volleyball are sport-specific instances of Data Studio used to pull data directly from the NBA, MLB, NCAA Live Stats, and Opta. To launch Data Studio, log in to Venus Control Suite using the credentials provided by Daktronics or your system's administrator. From the My Apps icon in the upper right, choose Data Studio. Some systems may have a dedicated desktop icon to serve as a shortcut. The menu icon in the top left shows the page available for Data Studio. Currently, Sources is the only item listed. The user icon in the top right offers the ability to switch theme, allowing users to customize Data Studio's appearance. About, which provides the Daktronics contact information and links to the knowledge base for Data Studio, and Log Out, which exits the program. The Sources page is the home page of Data Studio. Here, users can add new data sources, see a list of the configured data sources, the type of data source, when it was last updated, and the status of each source. Any sources that show a red X instead of a green check under status have connection errors, and hovering over the red X provides an error message. If you are utilizing any of the sport-specific feeds mentioned earlier, they will also be listed here for status checks and enabling, but will be configured in their specific Data Studio apps. Clicking any source takes you to the configuration page for that source. At the top is a slider button to enable and disable any feeds. To the left will be a listing of all the data feeds available from the configured source. Selecting the paperclip icon next to any feed allows for monitoring the incoming data, as well as searching for a specific data point within the feed. Previewing the data within Data Studio is a great way to see if the feeds have been refreshed prior to playout. Under Source Information, users will give the data source a name, path to find the data feeds, and select what format the feeds are from a drop-down of Excel, JSON, or XML. Click the Save button to apply any changes or create the data source. All of the data sources available in Data Studio will be available as a data category within Content Studio's data library for building content. This concludes the introduction to the Data Studio app. Continue through the playlist for more information on setting up custom feeds for XML and Excel spreadsheets, utilizing the sport-specific apps, and building content using data sources.